I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an apple pie base. To achieve the perfect flaky crust, always begin with very cold ingredients, especially your butter and water. A food processor is your best friend here, ensuring quick and consistent mixing without overworking the dough. Remember, chilling the dough for at least 30 minutes is a crucial step for easy handling and a tender result. For our perfect pie base, you'll need 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, and 1 cup of unsalted butter. Make sure your butter is cut into small, cold cubes. We'll also use about 1/2 cup of ice water, but you might not need all of it. These precise measurements are key to a consistent and delicious crust every time. First, pulse the flour, salt, and cold butter in your food processor until the mixture resembles coarse meal with some pea-sized butter pieces. Then, gradually add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, pulsing just until the dough barely comes together. It's vital not to overmix. Once combined, divide the dough into 2 equal discs. After forming your discs, wrap each one tightly in plastic wrap. This prevents drying and allows the gluten to relax. Refrigerate them for a minimum of 30 minutes, or even up to 2 days. When ready, roll out each chilled disc on a lightly floured surface to about 1/8 of an inch thick, creating a perfect base for your apple pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.